Mercedes-Benz key fobs typically use a CR232 coin cell battery. To begin, locate the small notch or seam on the side of your key fob. Gently use a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the case. Be careful to avoid damaging the plastic. Once open, you'll see the circuit board and the battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side usually faces up towards the key buttons. Some older models may have a physical key blade that needs to be removed first. Refer to your owner's manual for specific model instructions if needed. Carefully remove the old CR232 battery using a non-conductive tool if it's stuck. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side is facing the correct direction as noted earlier. Snap the key fob case back together until it's fully closed. Test the functionality by pressing the buttons to confirm the lights flash and the car unlocks remotely. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the battery is new and fully charged. If issues persist after replacement, it might indicate a deeper issue, possibly requiring reprogramming at a dealership.